Due to this ongoing pandemic, Bangalore is locked down and I am getting bored. Same thing repeating each and every day, doing same task, same thing, same online classes. It's so annoying. So one day I decided to do something other than these boring online classes. And so I thought of recording my daily routine and make a video of it. So my day starts with a small breakfast, a couple of egg sandwiches and a cup of coffee. I cook my own breakfast. Rest everything is prepared by our cook. The online classes of which no one cares. Every day we have to attend this class starting from 9 a.m. till 4 p.m.
And value, and with a list here, list is nothing but it is a list of processors. If I have n number of processors, and similar way when the is must wait
Wait,
on
my
a
pet.
comma. So this is going
See
to be
Simba
added
and
to
it's
the
at lunch time now. आओ भाई खाना देते हैं तुमको. तो ये रहा खाना और ये मैडम के पास जाएगा.
Okay, and when a philosopher gets angry, she tries to
As
pick up
it's a
the
boarding
two
lecture,
chunks.
I decided to do some typing practice. My typing is not so fast, but I am working on it. तुमको चाहिए? तुमको नहीं चाहिए? It's time for their second meal and also my lunch. तुम्हारा नहीं है ये. देखो. तो भैया सुबह आए थे, खाना बना के गए थे. And this is छोले. और छोले के साथ हम क्या खाएंगे? रोटी. चलो देखते हैं. अपलोड कर देंगे इस वीडियो को.
माइक ऑन करने के लिए कौन बोल रहा है? अरे अनन्या मत कर.
PUBG player. Lecture is going on, and by that time I have decided to solve a question. So this is the problem: median of two sorted arrays. So we are given with two sorted arrays and we have to find the median of both the array. The solution is simple, as we just have to implement merge sort and then return the middle element. I will make an answer array and use a while loop to fill it. Then I'll check if both the arrays are totally merged or not. If not, then again I will use a while loop. So a simple print function to check whether our array are merged or not. So system.out just simple merging of two sorted arrays. So now I'm checking if that both the arrays are sorted or not. That little cat is getting ugly. So the arrays are sorted. We will check with some more cases. Yes, so the numbers are sorted 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 7, 9, 11. So let's just comment this out, system out. Now what we have to do is we will check if the number of elements are odd or even. We will declare two variables, L, which is the sum of the both array and a double answer, which we are going to return. So if the number of elements are odd, then what we are supposed to do is, first we have to check if the number of elements are odd, then first L minus minus, because the indexing starts from 0. So now we will put answer, the middle term, L by 2. So we will put the answer in this answer variable. So now answer is equal to L by answer of L by 2. Else, for even number of elements, first we have to decrement L by 1 as indexing starts from 0. Then what we will do is we want the answer to be mean of the middle two terms. So the middle two terms should be L by 2 and L by 2 plus 1. Or else what we can do is we can divide L by 2 in line number 26 only. So now L and L plus 1, answer of L plus 1. We have to find the mean of these two elements, so answer divided by equal to 2. Not else, this is answer. So we are done. So now let's run and check the code. There is an error written out, so spelling mistake. And now, so correct answer. Let's submit this answer. So my solution is faster than 99.86% of Java users, and memory used is less than that of 59.9% of Java users. So this was a simple problem. So lectures are over and I have to take help of YouTube to clarify some of my doubts.
The topic is minimum cost spanning tree. So for that, first of all, we'll understand what does it mean by
Meanwhile, I had my evening snacks around 3 p.m. It's the third meal now. So it's already raining and time for workout. So it's dinner time for the kitten. And my dinner too, with some sweet dessert. After this, I again sat on and did some questions of competitive programming just before going to bed. This problem is from WhatsApp. I used to participate in different type of contests from WhatsApp. It is done. Now it's time to bed. Switching off everything. So thanks for watching.